Welcome back. What we now need to do is we need to choose an offer type. And what we're going to choose is a digital product. When we choose a digital product, what we'll need to do is we'll need to click this expansion button. That's going to give us this area. We're going to write in the digital product name that we're going to be selling. And to do that, we'll need to click this expansion button. And then we'll need to determine what kind of resource we're going to add. These are System.io designated categories. We can click one of those categories. For the sake of this video, we're going to choose a course that we have put together. What we can then do is we can go to this drop-down menu where it says choose a course and choose one of the courses that we have put together in System.io. Once we do that, we'll choose an access type. Typically, we'll grant full access. And what we now need to do is we need to set up a price plan. We will click on this expansion button and we can determine what kind of pricing plan we want to add. We can create a new plan. We can give this price plan a new name. We can add in a descriptor for the statement. We can determine how much the product will cost the customer. And once we click Save, our price plan will then be added. For the sake of this video, we're not going to offer any coupons, although we could make them available. Now you do need to click Save to this element before you go to view the funnel if you're going to see all the right elements. Now we have clicked Saved, so we're going to click View Funnel. We are now going to click on this element that says Buy the Book. That's going to bring us to the order form, and you're going to see that the customer will then see the price. They will then have their payment method, and then they can click Buy Now. So what we have now done is we have now set up our order page. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.